Hey guys, I'm back. They said it couldn't be done. Isaiah let me out of my truck, so I'm hosting What's in the Shop Wednesday again. In an unprecedented move, we're going to film almost the entire thing without moving because it's the auto show. We don't have a lot of stuff going on right now because we're busy setting up. To my left, we have an M3. It had a matte paint job to begin with. It's getting a full stealth wrap now. They're progressing nicely on it. You can't really tell too much of a difference because it was already a stealth finish. Behind me, as you guys know from last week's episode and previous episodes, we have the Pagani Huayra. The wrap is done, the coating is done, it's cleaned up. It'll be heading down to the auto show soon. Another thing with this Pagani, we did shoot a video for it. If you check the description down below or maybe a link up top, whatever John ends up doing, he'll find a way to get you that video. Check it out, guys. It's a pretty cool video. I think you guys will like it. Behind that, we have a Ferrari SF90. Previously, we did the paint protection film on it. We did window tint on it. We did coating on it. Customer has gotten some new aftermarket wheels since it was here. They look pretty sick. They have a carbon fiber barrel. We forgot to get some B-roll of the SF90 in the shop before they took it down to the auto show, but I did do an artist rendition of what it does look like so you have an idea of what's going on. We have Aaron's Camaro. He had to get some paint work done on his front bumper, so he's putting some new film on that, getting it all cleaned up. I think he's getting ready to take that to the junkyard though, so that's good for him. Terrell was nice enough to pull a vehicle in, so that way it shows we are actually doing work. I believe you're doing what, fronts on this? Fronts visor? XR20 fronts. So Terrell, the Dancing Queen Cation, will get this all done for the customer, get it looking good, get it out the door, and head on down to setup too. Other than that, that's it that's going on in LATROBE. Everyone's busy setting up for the show, so we hope to see you this weekend. And we'll send it up to Luke and Gibsonia and tell you what's going on up there.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to Gibsonia. Let's take a look at what's going on here in the back of the shop. Here we have a Lamborghini Aventador. This was worked on years ago at the LATROBE shop. We got some paint protection film, window tint, and ceramic coating. And the reason it's here today is because we were storing it until this weekend's Pittsburgh International Auto Show. If you want to check out this vehicle and a bunch of other cool cars, check out our booth from Friday through Monday. And here we have a completed Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This Porsche Cayenne got a full paint correction and coating on the entire outer body of the vehicle. Next up for a Fusion Plus ceramic coating is this Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Earlier in the week, we tinted the two front windows on this vehicle in our XR Prime 20% to match the factory tinted back section. Next up for tint is this 2023 Lexus GX 460. This is getting our Prime XR 5% tint on all the side windows and the back window. And we also have Austin back here prepping the taillights for some Luxe Dark Smoke taillight tint on both of the two taillights along with the marker lights down below. You guys may recognize this truck from YouTube. This is Autovlog's truck. This is a TRX that is wrapped fully in XPEL stealth paint protection film. This will also be at the booth, so come check it out this weekend, again from Friday through Monday. Our full wrap of the week is this 2023 BMW 7 Series. This is a factory matte paint job. Once again, it's very, very important to get those paint jobs protected because of the nature of the maintenance they require. You can see here the edges are overhung. Once the film fully dries, we'll get those wrapped for a seamless installation. It's a very cool interior on this vehicle too. There's actually a TV in the back. So kind of cool. I'd rather be sitting in the back of this car than driving it. We did tint this vehicle as well. It was in the shop about a week and a half ago, and we tinted the side windows and the back window in our ceramic 20% tint. On the lift, we have Steve working on this Tesla Model 3. This got our track package along with the A-pillars and our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We also tinted all the side windows and the back window and our Prime XR 20% window tint. Next up, we have this new 2022 Tesla Model 3. This was in for full front paint protection film on the front bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors. Porsche Macan. This is getting the 10 mil option on the full front. This is the best PPF on the market. This is 10 mil stick as opposed to the usual 8. This is great for things like track use, or if you drive the vehicle a lot and want to make sure that paint is always protected, go with the 10 mil. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thanks, Luke. So here we are at the Pittsburgh International Auto Show. We're getting set up for what is my favorite event that we do with Blackout the entire year. We can't show you too much of what the booth's going to look like because you're going to have to show up to see it. What do you think, Justin?
I think it's freaking awesome, guys. You should get down here and check out these gorgeous cars. It's always a great time here.
Everyone press thumbs up and subscribe. Blackout Tinting.
I do want to give you guys a little bit of a preview for the show. The second coolest car that we have, something near and dear to my heart, the flat glass van. This is the vehicle I get to drive around all week while we're doing estimates and installs for residential and commercial window film. Hope to see you at the show, and we'll see you next week for What's in the Shop.